Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to autofill A to Z in Excel. So for us to proceed with this one, I have here a sample that we're going to be using as how can I say, a reference. And yeah, in order for us to proceed, head over to File, Options, and then we're going to look at the Advanced, scroll down here until you see General. There you go. Now go ahead and click Edit Custom List, choose New List, Add, and then here what we're gonna do is just simply head over to click this one and then just copy our reference just like so, and then hit the enter, and you can see that now it has been added. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically like import, okay, and then okay this one. Now if, say for example, I'm gonna delete this, start something again, you can see that now it has been doing that one for us. So there you go. Now you can also go ahead and try to delete this and then try to write it in small letters, small small characters. You can see that now it's working. Yeah, basically that's how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.